Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you the blocks navigation setting in the new Gutenberg WordPress 5.0 editor inside of a LifterLMS course. So the blocks navigation can be located up here. It's these three dots and dashes. We'll click this and it shows us the entire layout of the page in the blocks in the order they appear. And we can click on any of these blocks in order to select it and start editing it. So if I add a block here, we'll add like a paragraph here at the bottom. Paragraph. We'll move it to the bottom here. And we can see in the navigation, we now have this paragraph down here. So this can be very useful for organizing a very large page or a very complex page in the case of a LifterLMS course. And this opens up a lot of opportunities for customization inside of a LifterLMS course or membership. And it's really awesome that LifterLMS was on the cutting edge of the Gutenberg editor and has these block options available, because now you can customize the actual dynamic content inside of a course without having to know any code or add any custom programs. It's all very easy to do inside of Gutenberg and removing blocks. So that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.